You know how to do this.
Is it on?
It's on.
So what's up, guys? Welcome to Jimmy Oak's Garage. Today's version is
So as you guys know, we do this video series called the Sub Mail, where basically subscribers, you guys, send us packages to our P.O. box, which is in the description. They're mystery packages. Sometimes they're useful, sometimes they're funny, sometimes it's food, sometimes it's things from Mama O. So we've gathered quite a bit of it. We actually have more than this. We haven't done a video in a long time because we've been so busy, but I figured today, it's a rainy day. Today is the perfect day for it. We got some of the boys here. We got Mama O, and we got some packages. So, is this your first sub mail?
This is my first sub mail. Let's do it. Ooh, heavy one.
Come on, help.
Half the front.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, there we go.
Watch the U32, man.
Yeah, don't scratch the paint.
Okay. Oh, boy.
That looks heavy.
I gotta call the troops in for this. Oops. I've had hammer crimps fail before. This makes a much better crimp. I'm loving the K-Swap 240 build. Keep up the great work. From Donald Booze.
Booze is his real last name?
Yeah, Donald Booze.
That's a good last name.
Yeah.
I'd say.
Yep, throw the box.
Yep.
There you go. What do we got? Hydraulic crimping tool. Ooh, I like this. I like this. No way! I wanted one of these so bad. So if you guys remember, when I was putting the ends on the thicker wires, like the ground cables and the power cables, I was bashing this little crimp tool against whatever thing I could find, right?
Dude, you can't hate on that tool. It's a great tool.
It's classic.
But this thing, next level.
Donnie Booze, thank you so much for this. This is actually a really awesome
nice.
tool, and then this will come in handy
cannot close
quite
the
dramatically.
box.
I'll do this one right here.
All right.
Yeah.
Sun small, sun light.
Please play this on the next sub mail video. Keep up the content. It's been great. From Manuel Beldoya.
Play it.
Play it.
That's what I was wondering the same thing. Dare to compare.
Yeah.
Bean
I
Boozled
love these.
contains weird and wild flavors. They're only shitty flavors.
That's the whole point of it.
Wait, they're all.
What do we got? We got
Well, I
rotten
guess
egg,
there's some good
barf.
ones.
Oh, there's peach.
The best one's grass.
We got toothpaste, can of dog food, spoiled milk. Who would
We're doing it now.
You tell them to do that.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah.
You go first.
No, we all gotta get one of these down the hatch first.
Oh, yeah,
Jeez.
The dangerous thing about jelly beans is you don't smell them.
Never have a scent.
They don't have a scent, so you don't know what the flavor is
yeah.
gonna be.
Take one.
Dangerous.
I don't want this one.
I don't like this.
Oh man.
RJ got the poopy.
1, 2, 3, go. Oh, what'd you get? Poop.
This thing is poop.
Toothpaste.
What's the brown one?
Buttered popcorn. I don't know what it is. No idea.
Ew, that smells gross. I can smell it from your mouth. Yeah. Oh, ew. That's a good one. I'm so happy I didn't eat it.
Sorry, Rogue. Is that
I got
what you
boogers.
You got boogers.
eat? I'd rather eat boogers. I already do that.
Yeah, but this is gross.
That's a good game. You're going for round 2?
Oh man.
What do we got here?
Peach or barf? Please be barf.
Peach.
Aunt, you dangerous.
That's birthday.
This is dead fish.
Oh, God, there's a dead fish one?
You're sweating.
I don't like it. Get us something that tastes good or looks cool. Just get our mind off this.
Oh man, stop it. There's a goodie basket right here. Got some stuff to wash down that barf for you there, Sam. Look at this.
Oh, wow.
Boy.
Dear Jimmy and crew. What up? Been watching the channel since the old shop. Just wanted to show our appreciation and send some goodies from our hometown, San Antonio, Texas. Hope you enjoy some Hood Rat snacks and Bucky's classics.
You.
Oh, Bucky.
Yep. Shameless plug right here. We also run a small internet clothing company called Street Fiend. Been going since 2015, and due to your influence, we started our own YouTube channel last year.
Damn.
That's awesome.
Wow.
We currently have an SR S14, good taste,
Great.
that could use a Jimmy O tune. Let me know. Also building a K24 E30, which should be exciting. It's been a little while since this was sent, so I hope you guys are making pretty good progress on that. Stay safe, good luck, have fun. From Martin, James, Brian, and Ramos. Street Fiend with 3 Ds. YouTube is just Street Fiend, and then there's a website.
Check them out.
Check them out. This looks thick, but I want it.
Yep.
Beef jerky? Bro, this thing's probably like 40 bucks. Big fan, thank you. These Bucky's don't sleep. What
No.
Oh, I love that.
That's great.
Love
Dried salted plums?
Open that.
Oh, what's this?
The texture, hard.
Not good smell?
Pickle?
I can't do it.
Can you take mine too?
Here, drop it.
Oh no.
Get that out of here.
Texas does it different. All right, so check out the merch. Oh, This is a hoodie.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Oh, they got the stuff. There's some style.
That's badass.
That's really freaking
That looks
cool.
like a-
You know what's sick? I know Sammy appreciates this. Print on the
Sleeve
arm.
print.
That's what I love
The
about
best.
that.
There you
Yep.
go, Mom.
Thank you,
There you go.
sweetheart.
She'll be wrapping it.
Thank
so,
you. I love it.
Thank you guys so much for the snacks. We're gonna get they're gonna get all gross taste out of my mouth right now. And
Hey, it's got purple. I can put this on my new Z.
Yeah, you can.
This could be upside down. All the stickers go the other way.
yeah, Sam, you really messed up there, buddy.
You know what? Maybe I'm just under pressure because
It is
it's
upside
so
down.
upside down.
Why do I talk?
I don't know. Why does he talk?
Nobody listens.
Oh my God. Yeah. Read that.
Get out of here.
Read that note.
Hey, Jimmy and the gang. We are still enjoying all the great content, so keep it up. We haven't sent a box in a while, so I hope y'all could use some more stuff. Can't wait to see you rip the U32 and for Brian to bang limiter on the LS.
Getting there.
This happened, that's happening soon. Would love to see the S13 Coupe and Brian's BMW at Clutch Kickers in Florida with Adam LZ. Keep up the good work and have fun at it. Happy Memorial Day, boys. Nikki, Kenny, Elijah, Madison, London, and Zoe.
The big fam. They're the ones who sent us all the the keychains, right?
All our lanyards have them now for our keys.
Yeah, literally.
Hell yeah.
That is so cool.
Well, let's
all right, let's see.
take a look.
They always hook it up, so let's see what we got.
What is this?
Oh, yes.
You could like put stuff in it.
Is it a shift knob?
Donald could put his drugs in there.
Oh, a
for the
Demon
family
Slayer thing. That's
Whoa.
cool. Tanjiro.
Smoke,
For
buddy.
Donnie.
Look, it's for Donnie's key fob. He doesn't have.
You're
Supposed to smoke through this thing?
No, you blow the smoke out.
Yeah.
You use those in college in the bathroom.
Oh, I remember those
Sick.
things.
How do you know?
Don't worry about it, Mom.
Too nice of a catalog.
Whoa, look at this.
Wow, there's so much stuff in here.
This?
Ooh,
Oh, I think so.
I think there was something in the
I
suit.
like that. It's cool. Hide that. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, these are classy. Belt thing. Yeah.
You need an M badge for your car?
Okay. RJ.
RJ.
Whoa!
Hell yeah.
Oh my God. No way. DJ's gonna love that. Oh, matches New Balance real well.
What is
Patty, you can put your key in there.
Oh, thank you. Ooh, I love presents.
It's you.
That might be the one.
You're a BMW girl now.
Ooh, I am.
Nikki, Kenny, Elijah, Madison, London, and Zoe. You guys always put us together a really cool package. There's a lot of fun stuff in here. There's a lot of cool stuff and a little bit for everyone, and we all really appreciate it. So thank you guys so much. And everyone say thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's do this one. It's definitely from overseas. No, Canada. Yeah, not overseas, but across the border. To Jimmy and the crew, I made this big just in case DJ gets it. You gotta use smaller words. I was scrolling through Instagram the other day and noticed Stevie munching on a bag of Ruffles. After learning from Stevie that they be hitting different down there, I sent the boys some proper Canadian Ruffles.
It does feel weird having Stevie not here, but he's working the third shift now. You gotta wait.
Stevie doing his thing.
We
Street
could go
club.
there.
They are my go-to munch, and I hope they bring you as much joy as they do to me. Keep up the sick content, and I wish you guys an awesome summer. Peace, Matt Boston.
Habs.
At Bosty91. Matt Boston.
Bossy 91. A lot of Lay's chips. Oh, these are the
These are
Canadian.
Ruffles. What are
Ruffles,
these?
that's what I meant. Yeah.
The double crunch
Ketchup?
ultra
What the
Quantes.
What?
Ooh, are these the cheddar cheese and onion?
Okay, when you walk into a gas station in Canada, is this just like the normal flavors?
These are the good ones right here. The all dressed.
Man, the Canadian palate just hits different.
That's a good go-to.
What is that?
Ultra
Croquettes.
Croquantes.
Yeah.
Be careful, you might make something
Can we
levitate.
see what they taste like?
Yes, please. Look at
Nah, they be hitting different. Stevie's right.
And it's
shit.
like sweet.
Oh man.
The ripple is there? The ruffle?
Let's go to Canada, boys. Let's go. Matt, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Open now. U32 content inside.
We're opening it now, so. Sick.
There you go, Tom. There you go, Tom. Oh, man.
Whoa! Come back to this then. Jimmy.
God bless you.
Jimmy and the boys. I hope this rear window wing makes it to you guys safely. I got it when I bought my R32 GTR and I never used it. Hopefully you can make it work on the new U32. I also included a radiator cover that came with my R32. Enjoy.
All right. Cool.
Shameless plug.
What we got? Rather be restoring. That's nice. I'm currently case hopping an EG hatch. Content coming soon.
Nice.
Jeff. All right, let's see what Jeff sent.
I like that he had to flex. He didn't just say my R32. He's like, my
Check it
R32
out, and cut the tape.
Let us know.
He was like, check it out.
Okay, so that's cool. No, you're breaking that.
No, we're not.
You're breaking it.
I'm not breaking anything.
You're breaking it. Jeez. Okay, let's try the wing first. So this wing is for an R32 coupe, right? Because GTRs never came, so whatever. All right, so let's see how far off this is. That'd be really dope if it fits. So the funny thing is, it's fiberglass, which means it probably doesn't even fit a coupe. But it looks like it fits pretty good.
True. Yeah. Honestly, we just gotta heat it up in the sun, let it bend a little bit. Perfect.
I like it, Mama. Put it back down. Put it back down. That thing's really cool.
It's aggressive.
Oh, that's going on.
It matches
like
the look
it.
you already got going too,
Yeah.
somewhat.
The angle.
Good look.
That's it. She's a keeper.
Nothing better than Arrow, baby.
Nothing better than the Arrow. Oh yeah. Look at that thing. This thing's gonna be the coolest car in there soon.
All right, Tony, when you prep this one,
Lift her up.
Oh yes, dude. Hide
that's
that.
good.
That is really good.
I don't know.
Well, that's gotta go like, yeah, there you go.
That's gas.
Yeah, it'll work.
Hold on, take it off for a second so they can see how bad the range of support is. All right, so we're working with this beautiful hunk of metal here, all right? And then we're gonna hide it. Jimmy O Classics right here.
That's great.
Look at that.
What's the price now?
This car
30K.
might be too smashed for this to fit properly.
No. We'll make it fit. That looks nice. It's a cool piece.
Get it? Cool piece.
Why is it funny?
Radiator.
Improve cooling.
Cooling panel.
Yeah, I just wanted to explain to the subs that
Oh, I thought you
yeah,
were the
sure.
one that needed it.
they call it cooling panel. You know, I don't know. Jeff, thank you so much for the 32 goodies. That's really awesome. We got some dress up pieces for the bay right there. And honestly, I really wanted a roof wing. And so this was really cool to get. So
Very cool to get.
thank you so much.
Thank you, Jeff. It's not even my car, but thank you. I wonder if it would fit the 33.
Do you think? I think it'd fit the 33.
All right, whatever you say.
If it fits the coupe, it's staying on the coupe.
No.
No, not even close. Think of that.
Nah.
Wait, really?
It's for the U. But it's like, this fits better than the wing that I bought for my Skyline.
That's actually not too bad. All right, try the E36 real quick, because
Oh yeah, we're here.
you can't. Yeah, we're here. Yeah. This is my favorite thing to do is fitting Aero to cars that don't. Because this thing, ooh, okay.
Oh boy.
Super off. But it would have been cool. Love it. All right, Ma, you're next.
Again? Okay.
Yeah.
rotation.
For the Amazon. There we go. Very cool.
I just bought these for myself, and I thought of you guys with all of your 90s junk
She forgot her glasses.
that you are. I actually have them.
It's okay.
Okay.
Unless you want to put them.
Be easier.
wanna see mine
I'm
work?
trying to be,
Here,
you know.
see if mine work.
I'm good.
Just throws up.
Let's continue. With all your 90s junk that you're always wrenching on, you must be.
So over it.
You must get some rounded off fasteners sometimes.
Quite a
Hope
bit.
this helps. Keep being excellent. That's it.
No name?
No name.
Oh, a box. Another mom gets the plastic boxes all day.
Yeah.
The rocket socket.
Patty, you're a tool magnet.
That's good.
I know.
Ready, Mom? The rocket socket.
Ooh.
When your boy gets a little too antsy and rounds off every damn bolt he touches. That's nice.
These are,
Or when he does this,
lifesavers, to be honest.
So we've got a couple of tractor kits before, but these look nicer than any other kit we've ever had. They look sharp. They got a nice finish to
I
them.
should take that
That's
home.
pretty much how like the new style Snap-on, Matco, all that high-end
Snap-on
ones.
who? Well, anonymous person. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you
This is
so much.
This will really save our ass one day. Let's see what Clifford sent. Hi, Jimmy and the gang. My brother and I have been longtime subscribers and have been wanting to send sub mail, but just never got around to it. Get around to it. We decided to send you guys some snacks that we grew up with and assorted items. I've also included some stickers of my car that I made when it had an Atashi livery on it. Ooh, RJ, look at you. You're fully dressed up for that one. Hope you guys like the items. Keep up the fire content and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't already, click below. Best Clifford. Instagram at
Clipboard.
That's actually really funny.
Nice.
And doesn't shout out his brother. He was talking about his brother.
Screw him.
Screw him. So, ooh. Hit us with a Yu-Gi-Oh
These
cards.
are
Nice.
Bomb.
Get your
You
fingers
had
out of
those?
I'll put my finger anywhere I
They're
want.
shrimp?
Yeah. It's a shrimp cracker.
there. As you guys know, we put a Yu-Gi-Oh card or put whatever cards we have in just like any order. We've just always done it. And so it's really funny when we get them because you watch these, right? You'll see this right here. But then you place an order and one of these might end up in your order. So it's funny, right? It's cool. Shop below, Hop Jimmy O, you know? Hop Jimmy O. Hop below, shop Jimmy O. We got some aprons left. All right, what else we got here? Some Tetris dress up.
Sticker kit. The possibilities are endless.
They really are. Look at this. That's so dope.
Shit.
Right in my trinket wall. Love that. That's really cool. Oh, little spoiler.
Sea wing.
Okay. I'm gonna put this on the beetle when RJ's not looking. Yellow SCI. It's yellow, so I love it.
Nice.
Ooh, RJ.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's like a moon pie.
You're a big Choco Pie fan?
Hell yeah.
Why? He panicked. You have a nose to breathe through. Use that. It's okay. All right, James. Shrimp chip it up.
This has to be the fishiest.
They're delicious. Don't smell. You're not supposed to smell things.
Yeah, you are.
If I
That's
smell-
part of how you're. Never mind.
This is what you don't want to smell. That's all I'm trying to say.
Coming from the guy who eats cold SpaghettiOs.
I'm exquisite.
Oh, man.
Bad?
Bro, they're phenomenal.
Smell it.
Oh God. Why would anybody manufacture those?
You're gonna love it. Look at that. She wants more.
They're really good.
They actually aren't bad.
I know. Nobody listens
Don't judge
to me.
a book by its smell.
Never smell something first. Just do
Yeah.
it.
Just go right in.
That's not what the guys tell me at work.
Clifford, Ann's brother he did not mention. Thank you guys so much.
What is this?
Shake it some more. Maybe it'll give you a clue.
Dear Jimmy and the gang, been a big fan for the longest and enjoy the content. Keep up the amazing work and doing big things. The 3 keychains are for Jimbo, DJ, and Ant. There's 2 shirts that are for B-Hall and Jimbo from, I think,
Those are in different packages.
Queen Gonzalez, I think.
Amazon will ship in different packages sometimes. So we got.
Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Oh, what cookie?
Here's keychains.
Okay. Sylvia keychains.
that's pretty
I
rad.
like that. I like that.
I don't see a shirt though.
That's in another package.
Hey, one of these is for you, buddy.
That's because you drive a Sylvia.
Cool. That's really cool.
And it came with a free hat.
Like this. That is actually really, really cool. Thank you so much for that. It's all about the trinkets.
There's Rotary 13B on it.
Look at. Rotary 13B Sylvia logo. Maybe that's a brand. I don't know. But I don't care. It's a dope keychain. Thank you so much.
Maybe it's telling you what you need to do in the future.
No. Stop.
Rotary B.
Maybe this is the t-shirt. This is a t-shirt.
Could have been.
This is bringing. Yeah.
Doing donuts.
Nice.
Oh my
Sick.
God.
It's a New England thing.
That is a New England thing. Love that. Thank you so much. It's a large. That's for you, B. You
that
said it
one?
was for you. That's you.
That's me.
You got you can't you got to wear that when we go do donuts in your car.
Okay.
Okay.
I'd love to.
So put that on ice.
Okay.
Where is tomorrow?
There we go.
It's already dirty for
Yeah, there you go. Break it in.
Yeah.
Last one, B. You gonna do the honors?
I'll honor it up.
Hey.
He looks like a 3rd grader at recess.
Seems like a lot of sick stuff in here. Alexander Ogbonna.
Okay.
Whoa! Stuff.
Oh wow.
Oh my God.
No way.
That's James.
That's me.
Whoa!
Ooh, Sailor Moon.
Whoa. Is that her?
Hey.
I don't know who that is.
Those are awesome.
Oh, here we go. Hey Jimmy, my name is Alexander and I wanted to send you some artwork and thank you for creating content for the boys. Also wanted to thank you for liking my work on the gram. I'll be sending some more work as I create. Thanks again, bro.
Awesome.
Oh, my mom's so happy. She loves so happy.
I want this.
Of course.
Good stuff.
Oh, there's one more. Alexander sent us this too.
There's a lot of good stuff on here.
Which is sick.
Yeah.
Make a tiny livery.
No, it can only make it so small.
Alexander, thank you so much. That is actually really awesome. So, with that was the last of the sub mail. We got some more laying around. We do have a couple more packages. We'll probably get into them very short. If you guys want to be a part of sub mail, we always put the PO box in the description. Send something fun, send something gross for everyone to eat again, send something useful. Doesn't matter. We love anything you guys send us. We always really
Send me
appreciate it.
something.
Or just send something from Mama O.
Say something.
She's always waiting for
I love
something.
presents.
I know every time we do something else, she comes down the next day like, "What'd you guys get?" Yeah. So, hope you guys liked today's video, and you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And Mama.
We'll see y'all next time. Bye, guys.